Our Y5 for OATC 6 at 7.5 kilowatts. 5-axis? Aluminum 5-axis linkage cutting tool with a thickness of 6 millimeters. Five-axis linkage finishing of aluminum. Five-axis machining with tailstock support. Five-axis simultaneous machining pattern and drilling effect. Automatic tool change of servo tool magazine. Precision run-out detection of spindle. The side metering accuracy of the assembly guide rail is less than 0.005. The assembly accuracy of the guide rail is less than 0.003 mm. The assembly accuracy of Japan's NSK screw rod is less than 0.01. Our Y5 for OATC 6 a 7.5 kilowatt